Understanding Cell Culture, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into an intriguing term that you might come across in biology or biotechnology: cell culture. It's a concept that can seem complex, but we'll break it down together. So, let's get started and explore what cell culture is all about. Cell culture involves growing cells in a controlled artificial environment outside of their natural setting, which is usually the body of an organism. This process allows scientists to study cells in detail, including their biology, behavior, and how they interact with drugs and other substances. It's like giving cells a new home where they can be observed under a microscope. Cell culture is crucial in the medical and scientific world. It's used for drug development, understanding diseases, and even creating vaccines. Imagine it as a tool that helps scientists solve biological puzzles. By understanding how cells live and grow, we can find better ways to treat illnesses and improve healthcare. The process begins with selecting the right type of cells. Then, these cells are provided with the perfect environment that includes the right temperature, nutrients, and humidity to mimic their natural conditions. Think of it as creating a mini ecosystem for cells to thrive in a lab dish. There are different methods of cell culture, depending on the purpose of the study. We have primary cell culture, where cells are taken directly from living tissues, and cell lines that can be used repeatedly because they have been modified to grow indefinitely. Each type has its own significance and use. Beyond research, cell culture has practical applications. It's used in the production of biological products like vaccines, antibodies, and even artificial organs. This technique has opened up new horizons in treating diseases and has been pivotal in the advancement of modern medicine. And there we have it, a brief exploration into the world of cell culture. It's a fascinating area of science that has a huge impact on how we understand and treat various medical conditions. I hope this video has shed some light on the subject for you. Thank you for watching, and stay curious.